Hello and welcome to Critical Tutorials. My name is Camasso, and today we are going to be going over one of the most important questions during this COVID-19 outbreak. And that is, what are the most effective products on the market as far as hand sanitizers and sanitizing wipes go? Well, this episode we're going to cover both. So thanks for joining and welcome to Critical Tutorials. Hello and welcome to Critical Tutorials, episode number 3, the most effective products on the market for hand sanitizers and sanitizing wipes. First, we're going to start with hand sanitizers. Now, we put our hand sanitizers through a rigorous test. We took the top 12 on the market and we went through availability, price, killing power, alcohol content, moisturizer content, overall afterfeel, meaning was it drying your hands out? Did they feel as chapped as your lips after you just went down the biggest ski slope? And a whole bunch of other factors. So first, we will go over the top 3 brands and which came out first. We will start with number 3, Uline. Uline is a very available product. This is available through most office shipment centers as well as through the direct Uline website. This product you will have probably utilized in most office buildings in just about any area throughout the United States you've been. So this is a very popular and very readily available product. This came in number 3 for us, as it did tend to dry out our hands a little bit more than the other 2 that we're about to utilize, as well as it was not as available to the general public. Number 2 is Germ X. Germ X moisturizing. We use the original formula. This was available in a 10-ounce bottle. This is a great product with only 63% ethyl alcohol. So it is a little bit lower of an alcohol content than some other brands. However, this does have some moisturizing power. So we did find that our hands were not as chapped as most other brands that we utilized. It is a very good brand and it is extremely readily available and it is not expensive. And finally, we have the number 1 brand as far as killing power, as far as moisturizing power, and as far as price and availability. And that is the number 1 selling brand on the market, and that is Purell. Purell hand sanitizer, while right now is as good as gold, is the best marketed product and the best product on the market. So if you are looking for an effective hand sanitizing product, the best on the brand is Purell. So we have Purell, Germ X, and Uline. They are the 3 brands that we highly suggest as far as hand sanitizers go after they have been put through our rigorous testing. All right, let's move on to our next and final category, and that will be sanitizing wipes. We utilize 10 different brands of sanitizing wipes. And once again, with our categories, we did look for the things that were most important to the general public, such as killing power, durability, price, availability, and packaging. Packaging was very important, we found, throughout this process, as a lot of the packaging didn't seal well enough, and we found that it dried the product out far before we can utilize all of the wipes. So that was one of the most determining factors as far as sanitizing wipes go and the market that we have. So let us start off with product number 3, which was also the most affordable on this whole entire list of 10 that we had. And that would be the great value Walmart brand disinfectant wipes. These came in a 35 pack in this nice teal container. The package does seal very well. It's easy to open through pop or just flip. It is a nice product. They were easy to pull through. And they do kill the flu virus as well as COVID-19 as far as our testing was able to determine. We will move on to number 2, another product that kills 99.9% of all viruses and bacteria, and that is going to be your Clorox disinfectant wipes. Clorox, another very popular name in cleaning brands, and that is Clorox disinfectant wipes. This is another 35 pack, comes in a nice yellow and blue bottle, clear on top. Another very good sealing product. However, this does not pop when you squeeze. That is another way to tell that it did seal very well. This has a convenient lock and pull mechanism at the top so that you're not pulling out any more wipes than you need. So that is another great product on the market. But our number 1 best-selling wipe brand on the market, Lysol. Lysol 99.9 disinfectant wipes also comes in 35 packs. So apparently most wipes do come in 35. You will find the larger 50 packs available as well. However, these would be your top 3 as far as sanitizing disinfectant wipes go. These products are essential in killing the corona COVID-19 virus, and that is why we deemed it necessary to make episode number 3 of Critical Tutorials on the best products for sanitizing around the household. So again, let's go over them really quick. We'll do wipes one more time. That is the Great Value Disinfectant Wipes coming in at number 3, the Clorox Disinfectant Wipes coming in at number 2, and our number 1 in stopping power, strongest by far. These were the strongest wipes that we tested on the market, and that is Lysol. So those are the 3 best cleansing wipes, sanitizing wipes on the market, and your 3 best hand sanitizers as far as price, availability, durability, so on and so forth. We have our Uline coming in at number 3, which is a office product. We have the readily available Germ X coming in at number 2, and number 1. The most popular sanitizing product since the COVID-19 outbreak, and that is Purell hand sanitizer. Well, there you have it, folks. The best sanitizing products on the market as far as 2020 goes. My name's Corey Camasso with Critical Tutorials. We hope you found this effective and useful and helps you and your family fight the COVID-19 outbreak and any future outbreaks that may come. Thanks for joining and watching Critical Tutorials, episode number 3.